Connected! Don't feel in the sight soon! Welcome back to Mortal Kombat X! Part 3 of 161. I'll be just actually shortly there, but Christopher Berg my name, and I just gone actually here for a little minute, something to play this game. I just want to drink some beer, enjoying the sun out there. Seen enough actually as a construction worker. Game safe, reloaded, crash loaded.
Lin Kuei wins.
Your faction won! My lips are ripping off because I'm so angry. Sorry. The hell are you laughing at? Got the sun problem, dude. All over and over again. You starting up to collect each other again? I do that for Commonwealth, but not for myself. I give a fuck in my life. Get ready! Taubhausgefühl fängt an. Gescheißen. No online play possible. You are. Jetzt habe ich total vertippt hier, Alter. Alright, here we go. Wants to search for someone or what is on? Classic player match. Ready to re-engage. Make your attacks. Exactly. Need to research Mortal Kombat 11, Mortal Kombat 10. That's far away, I just did that. No one wants to play! Not even yourself! On the witness for midday. Mortal... Oh shit! Mortal Kombat X. I really need to open up the session here. There's no one you can fight for that lousy shit game anymore. I played actually a long time ago. Yeah. No one wants to installate that crap. Sea Eagles and Stone Eagles just fighting until October this year. Fuckers!
Hello all, Rodden, Biden and Trump lovers.
These old farts. They're pressing the button for bombings because us older forgot how to deal with. Fuck this shit. I hate my life anyway. Shoot that bomb to Earth. I don't care. Silly motherfuckers! We ready to handle some points in here review? Spectrum Zero. Da muss ich erst schauen, ob ich da nicht so bin. Okay, alles gut. Morgen ist Donnerstag. Ah, das passt. Donnern kann ja der Chef seine Predigt halten. Jetzt im Büro, interessiert einen Scheißdreck. Wo ist die Wärmeleitpaste? Und wo zum Teufel ist der vom Gabelstapler-System? Das funktioniert so oder so, das auch nicht. Das kann ich da ganz garantieren. Ja, mein LKW, ja, den kostet verkaufen, kostet neu kaufen. Da kauft sich ein neues Auto im Gegensatz, dass man mal ein bisschen den Gabelstapler und einen Lastwagen reinrichtet, aber es muss alles passieren. Es interessiert mich, ob das 5000 Euro kostet oder sonst was. Das zahlt der schon. Und wenn nicht, dann zahlt die Firma drauf. Gibt's da eine Prozente, wenn man baut, von der Firma aus, dass das Holz billiger ist? Nicht wirklich, ne? Beim Beton können wir noch reden, aber alles andere... Total investiert für Zahnzusätze. Wenn du 4000 Euro hast, ungefähr auf 10 Jahre, ne? Wie war das? Auf 6 Jahre. 10.000 Euro für deinen Zahnzusatz, Scheißdrecksversicherungskrampf. Da musst du so einen Deal abschließen. Oder du schließt es ab beim Saft. Ja, korrupt sei fix was für Arschlöcher, Alter. Da schaut er den Schwachsinn einmal an, Alter. Das ist ja kein Wunder nicht, Alter. Das ist der Trophäe irgendwo erhalten. Ja, Blödsinn, Bimbel, Bumbel, weil jeder Mortal Kombat 1 spielt. Klein Dreck-Scheißkinder, Alter. Ich bleibe lieber zu Hause, weil es ist so schön bei Temu zu bestellen und es ist so schön zu Mortal Kombat mit der PlayStation 5, gell? Ja, ich bin der Victor Armani al-Ibili Sibali Bulbul al-Kali Derkari Gastol. Und ich bin erst 7 Jahre alt. Und meine Mutter, Annette, hat mir erlaubt zu spielen. Okay, du Hurensohn. Und du bist dann bei wo? Instagram und TikTok und ja, es ist gut. Es ist gut. Kind, Scheißdreck. Das soll was werden, Alter. Ich möchte gerne mal dann studieren. Ja. Schieß deinen Schädel nicht, du Arsch. Sag mal Waffen, Alter, dass der Opa einmal schießen kann mit deiner blöden Dingsbums da, Einheit. Tower. Battle. Player. Match. Son of a knocker. Player. Match. Think I maybe find nothing. The servers are down or something, this shit? Hey, crack, mate. Hallo, die Probe. Can you aber so, no. Tor, or, Can't believe this shit. Just unranked match against a random opponent. Looking for an opponent. Play a match versus top. Not pending. Not available. This game stinks, man. Online sucks. Well, they just get off arc on your booms. Not available. Nobody played. Craig. Oh, you really want her versus no one. This game stinks. Coming not soon, but mobile, nothing unlocks you something. Play this art hard. If I I'm ready to get bored, man. I don't want to fight each in this fuck shit game. Let's do a tower or something. Living want to do a boring tower challenge. Hiya. Select the tower. Yeah, there's only one, you fucker. You wanna buy a cost of any mother Timo.
Tremor.
You sucker. This game sucks already.
Round 1, fight. Round 2, fight.
Oh, only one. Okay.
Stop
That's
staring
weird.
at my butt.
Final round, fight. Finish him.
You're fucking kidding me, right? If you do not know what's going on in here, this is so fucked up. You fucking bricks. Oh gosh.
Another day, another beatdown.
Jackie wins. Flawless victory.
No, not really. That's flawless. 666k. You fuckers. Fuckers! Huh. Fuckers! Look at that chart on it. Scared. Für realitätsnah. Sie wird immer schneller sein als ich, ne? Vielleicht? Hit and have fun.
It's you.
Hello.
I admire your gauntlets.
I mean,
I like yours.
hello.
Yeah.
Round 1. Fight!
You cannot match my power.
Round 2. Fight! Finish her!
It's the back.
Tremor wins. Flawless victory. Fatality.
American Governator.
Well, look at this.
Got a problem.
Bring it on.
Round 1. Fight!
Expect a fight in here.
Round 2. Fight! Finish him!
Hello?
Tremor wins.
I couldn't finish him. He just dropped that. Oops. Ah, that's the annihilating music anyway. Loading time is beast, dude. Can't do actually the sound. Sorry for that one.
You dare attack me, Scorpion.
My flames can burn even you.
Round 1. Fight!
Sorry for that one.
Round 2. fight!
Like little babies.
Finish him! Tremor wins.
Connect through throws. Super slowly regrets. No special moves allowed.
I do not wish to fight you.
Round 1, fight!
Da gehen die Ideen aus, ne, du Hurensohn.
Round 2, fight! Final round, fight!
I've reclaimed you. Crack you open.
Oh, fuck off.
Think again.
Liu Kang wins.
SKI. Fuck das Shit. Das Spiel ist für den Arsch, Alter. Vergiss es, Alter. Da bin ich sauer. Das kotzt mich jetzt schon wieder an. Da versuchst du was zu tun, aber Warner Brothers oder die KI macht die kaputt. Deswegen spielt dieses Spiel kein Mensch mehr, weil das Spiel ein Schrott ist. Das ist ekelhaft, Alter. Die behängt zum Scheißen und denken nach, Alter. wie ich die Muslimen vernichten kann. Dreck, scheiß Land. Scheiß Deutschland. Wenn Nawalny nie was tun würde. Die haben ja auch wie eine misshandelte Person behandelt in Deutschland. Wäre bei den Tschetschenen besser aufgehoben gewesen. Scheiß Deutschland. Scheiß Deutschland. Scheiß Amerika und scheiß Deutschland. Und scheiß immer die Kanadier und die Australier an, die Scheißwichser. Steht's auf Koks oder irgendwelchen Marihuana Plantation, these crackers. Der Muslim, der wird ungefähr in 10 Jahren bei uns sein. Wird die ganze Welt beherrschen. Russland die Scheiße nur am Dampfen hat. Weil Russland es will. Die Muslimen Oberhand halten. Und sind selbst eigentlich der letzte Dreck. Hassen den Muslim. Und dann wird Russland fallen. Und ich werde nicht mehr am Leben sein und habe keine Kinder gezeugt, Gott sei Dank. Weil ich solche muslimischen Arschlöcher nicht akzeptiere. Viel Spaß dabei, macht's gut. Nee, ich hab keinen Bock mehr, Alter, ehrlich gesagt. Ich will überhaupt nicht mehr weiter. Warum haben wir das ganze Zeug, wenn wir es nicht tun können? Spielt keine Rolle, was du bist oder wer du bist oder was du gecheatet hast. Du wirst ins Spiel manipuliert und gefickt. Scheiß Amerikaner. Wenn Amerika fallen würde, Alter, dann wird es keinen Katholismus mehr geben, kein Drogenhandel mehr. Da wird es diese scheiß behinderte Waffenlobby nicht mehr geben. Deswegen, ich bin gegen Amerika und ich bin gegen alle den scheiß Albanern und was weiß ich, was die Drogen ticken, Alter. Deswegen bombt doch alles nieder in Deutschland. Bombt doch alles nieder in Amerika. Bombt doch die ganze Welt nieder. Es macht doch eh keinen Sinn mehr. Ist so. Was hast du denn dann? Dann wäre Frieden. Alles niedergebombt. Tschetschenien hat nach 2 Jahren einen Dubai-Abklatsch geschafft. Nach 2 Jahren. In 2 Jahren kannst du mir nicht erzählen, dass du so viele Leute, die getötet worden sind. Da war kein Tschetschene mehr da. Wie haben die das Ganze aufgebaut? Ja, durch russische Leute. Scheiß doch die Welt an. Bombt doch alles nieder. Lass doch den Tieren endlich mal ihre Freiheit. Scheiß drauf. Bombt doch alles nieder mit einer Atombombe. Macht doch, was ihr wollt. Glaubt doch kein Politiker mehr. Das wird doch Fotzen, Alter, des Governments auf Russland oder Amerika. Mehr nicht. Hanseln. Kleine Peters, Alter. Weißt du, wie ich meine? Marionetten. Beste Beispiel ist Biden und dieser Schrott. Wie heißt der nochmal? Ist mir ja egal. Der deutsche Schwuchtel da, echt so Schläferzelle gehört. Verpiss dich, Junge. Und verpisst euch Nazis, by the way. Wir haben schon so viele Ausländer und ihr tut gar nichts, ihr Neonazis. Ihr tut gar nichts. Ihr seid arbeitslos und ihr seid Schrott. 20 Millionen gehören ausgewandert in irgendwo eine Insel, Alter, wo eine Bombe draufgeworfen gehört.
I do not wish to fight you.
Yet your approach continues.
You leave me no choice.
Round 1.
Shut the fuck up.
Tremor wins.
I don't give a fuck, man. Against America.
Tremor.
You will not have my soul.
Your soul is not worth harvesting.
Round 1. Fight!
Serve me and live.
Round 2. Fight!
Fuck off. Mid. Okay. That's why.
Finish him! Tremor wins.
Fuck
Fatality.
off, America. Premium. What kind of a play I'm playing for?
You make me sick.
Watch your tongue or I'll have it.
Thanks for the bright red target.
Round 1. Fight!
He's done.
You cut your own hair?
Round 2. Fight!
Easy money.
Final round. Fight!
Shut up and bleed. You don't look so good.
Finish him!
Fuck off, asshole.
Nothing personal, mate.
Kano wins.
-4.
Scum.
Baby.
Sorry.
First swing's on me.
They're all gonna be on you.
Round 1. Fight!
Time to violence look good.
Round 2. Fight!
Ball in air. Huh. I don't know. Can't do that. We have a lot of time. The people's actually watching maybe in here. Nobody cares. Because Mortal Kombat 10. Nobody cares about Mortal Kombat 10. Aber, weißt du, ein Arschloch ich bin? Muss jemand anrufen.
besetzt. Was anderes. Krass, oder so scheiß Hände oder T-Shirt zu kriegen. Fix. die Werkstatt. Vielleicht sieht man sie. Ja. Fertig. Alles gut, Julian. Habe ich dir, gell? Bitte. Ja, so ist das leidende Leben des Finsteres. Ja, so ungefähr. Ist so. Was soll das denn? Scheißen, hat er gesagt.
Es nervt. Wunderbar. Ach, kein Thema. Ah. Ich muss 7-mal aufs Handy draufklicken, dass ich überhaupt einen beschissenen Wert überhaupt bekomme. Ich weiß schon gar nicht mehr, warum ich überhaupt hier bin. Warum ist mein TV schwarz? Ich sehe nichts. Ich sehe wirklich gar nichts gerade. Was war das? Altersschwäche. Mhm. Warum kriege ich die ganzen Telefonnummern nicht auf das Handy? Und alle Handys haben's. Scheiß Google. Wie? Na, wenn er Hilfe braucht, soll er mich anrufen. Der Schwachsinn, den gebe ich mir nicht. Hau ruck! Das ist Donnerstag, Freitag ist der Markus aus der Firma eigentlich rein theoretisch, aber privat unterwegs. Verstanden. Wie spät ist morgen auch wieder da? Ein Meniskus, geh her mal mit deinem Alter, da kannst du keinen Meniskus nicht mehr haben. Das ist Dinger. Ja, ich hab mir den halt nicht und du warst ja kein Fußballspieler, gell? Wie cool? Ja, natürlich. Ich glaube beim Squash und Tennis, da kommt der Meniskus genauso. Ich glaube sogar noch schneller daher als beim Fußballspielen. Aber na, da muss ich nichts sagen. Das ist so, wo ich bloß lach. Und 2 Jahre später habe ich ihn selber. Ich weiß auch genau, wie es läuft. Ja, so ist das. Aber jetzt kann ich noch lachen. Hey, darf ich noch lachen? Jawohl, darfst noch lachen. Moment. Was war das? Ist da Flaschenpost gekommen, oder? Hallo? Was war das? Ich glaube, ich hab Ratten im Raum oder so. Got rats in my apartment or something that's coming up. I hear it again. What the hell was that noise? That's kind of the Dul dul dul. You gotta fire it for me and need to grab up your ass. You know, I'm sorry for that one. Now the camera is present. Oh, hold on. It's a fighter. I tried to fire it off. Oh, crack. Ja, well. Cheers up. Campaign. Das glaube ich, wie soll jetzt gerade trotzdem nicht schnell geschrieben. Da kann ich ja gleich nächste Woche mit Markus machen, wenn der Alter nicht kommt. Was streicht dann der Julian da drüben eigentlich rum, wenn der Alte erstmal kommt? Ich mein, der wird die Leitung aufreißen, die Farbe ist wieder weg, da muss man drüber, Alter, da muss er wieder die ganze Wand, die Seiten selber streichen, dass der Putz, also muss ich ja schon fast ein Gips hernehmen, dass das verschwindet. Das bringt aber auch nichts, weil man sieht dann die Leitungen. Ich kenne dann Hans seinen Putz nicht. Beschaust bis bei so einem Edelputz bringen oder so ein Schmarrn. Cool, ja klar. Wenn wir nächste Woche, ich bin ja sowieso nächste Woche mit Markus zusammen. Was zum Teufel? Einen Schmarrder. Tschüss, abgepein. Das war wie so Lüser Lutzgold brauchst du nicht schnell. Variation? What's with your variation, dude? Pay attention to your ass, man. What's that music I want to play for? I was Fame, not Fame anymore, so let's play music. To get like erupt. Recover. Hey. Sha. You still got this one on? Oh, that's nice fresh, man. sweet. Nobody knows about the music, mate. Hi, filler. Hi, filler. You are ready for a fight. Finish
her.
Oh shit, mate.
Nothing personal, mate.
Kano wins.
I couldn't decide midway, far away, or close. I didn't actually. I'm sorry.
Cassie Cage lost her mind. Psn. Ready for it?
We meet again, Kano.
What?
Lost, you froze me.
Pity you chose to thaw out.
Round 1, fight.
Sting your brain.
Round 2, fight.
Podcast is over. Why I don't actually have the list? Why the list just gone? Hey, is that bugger? She'll invent that stuff. Let's say it's close. Okay.
Finish him.
Close. Close. Oh shit! I'm wrong button. I hate this.
Personal, mate.
Concentration thing, you know. I'm sorry for that one. Next time, I think I'm gutted. I just have one eye, you know.
2 cigarettes left in your ashtray.
She will fight against Africa.
Gonna give you to General Blade.
Really?
It's fine with me.
So pure American.
Piece, of course.
Round 1, fight.
I'm from the bull. Edge. All over.
Say my name, bitch.
Setzt sie mich dahin, oder? Oh, haben wir das auch geklärt? Will ich dir einen Gefallen tun, weißt du, aus der Corner rauszukommen? Du bist mir eine.
Round 2, fight.
Dein afrikanisches Leben bedeutet mir nichts. Weil es gar nicht weiß, wie es Leben wert ist. Geh weg. Connie.
Kano wins. Fatality.
Good night, sweetheart. Raiden. Can you deal this mother trucker?
Kano.
Come on. I should have killed you years ago.
Round 1. Fight.
I'll slit your throat. That must have hurt. That'll do you. Your pain was predestined.
Round 2. Fight.
Es kann nicht sein, dass ich schon wieder den Scheiß machen muss. Das für Müll, Alter. Ah, genau, das ist der Trap. Du gehst runter, rüber, auf rechts, runter und dann links und dann X. Und du machst natürlich runter, rechts, X. Oh, Scheiß. Das ist genau der Scheiß.
Ain't worth spitting on. Easy money.
It's over, buddy.
Kano wins.
You are
Fatality.
dead. No resurrection for you. Sonya Blade.
You?
Come to Papa.
Let's sever these family ties.
Round 1. Fight. Fight! Finish her! Kano wins.
Bitch.
Fatality.
Nothing left for you. Bubble ass. America. You will continue with having unlocked our Empress Kitana. Out, just done, Earth Lamps. Beautiful. Platy. Your tower is concepted and deflated. Mark someone else. Endless survivor. More like actually something else.
Millions of years ago, Shinnok, one of the Elder Gods, turned on his fellow deities and invaded the Earth Realm. Raiden and the Elder Gods stopped Shinnok, locked him up in the Nether Realm. Others followed in Shinnok's footsteps, like Outworld's Emperor Shao Kahn, who was obsessed with conquering Earthrealm. So Raiden convinced the Elder Gods to enact the Mortal Kombat tournament as a way to even the odds, give Earthrealm a chance. For generations, Shao Kahn followed the Elder Gods' rules. The war moved to the arena, where he sent his toughest fighters to challenge Raiden's greatest defenders in Mortal Kombat. 2 years ago, we beat him. But Shao Kahn wasn't ready to lose. He violated the rules of Mortal Kombat and invaded Earthrealm. Most of Earth's defenders, our friends, were killed, turned into evil undead warriors. Despite the odds, we stopped Shao Kahn's invasion. As punishment, the Elder Gods destroyed him. We thought the long nightmare was over, but it turns out that Shinnok had been manipulating events. Shao Kahn's invasion, his death. All part of Shinnok's plan to escape the Netherrealm and resume his war on the Elder Gods.
destroyed. America to Shiner.
New curse.
Destination, dead ahead.
Set her down nice and easy for me.
Don't I always?
If by always you mean not once. Major?
All right, you have the rendezvous coordinates. Far edge of the forest. From there, we access the portal to Raiden's Sky Temple.
Where there's an angry former Elder God and his devils waiting for us.
Gods, portals, flying demons.
Blind guys with magic swords.
The world has changed. For the worse if we do not expel Shinnok from Raiden's temple. He means to poison Earthrealm's life force, the Jinsei.
And we're not gonna let that happen.
Kenshi and I appreciate the Major allowing us to join you. We're happy to help kick Shinnok's bony ass back to the Netherrealm. You gotta land this thing.
Get over here!
Damn, I'm good.
Nasty.
Yeah. Yeah, you son of a...
Getting a little ahead of yourself, aren't you? Didn't know a face could do that. Didn't know you were such a fan. Gotta get back
Sonya,
to the shop.
come on.
Sonya, get out of there!
Asshole! What a motherfucker. You wanna rescue someone and you just get deployed actually by two assholes? You get angry and gropey, even how old you are. It doesn't matter, you wanna protect actually your wife or your motherfucking friend girl. Fuck this shit up. It just pisses me off.
Was unpleasantly cold.
Son of a bitch.
How am I doing? No autograph. Oh snap! There it is. I liked it better when we fought on the same side. You okay?
We
Rips.
fared better than the men.
Long
Add him to the list of things
fuckers.
for.
Fuckers! You giving up? Rain? You giving up? The fucker just did more than you already. His balls.
We must refortify the portal's defenses below.
No, Fujin. It is too late.
Destroy them!
The mighty gods of Earthrealm.
You befoul these hallowed grounds, Quan Chi. Begone!
Surely you are pleased to see your friends. You abandoned them to their deaths. I returned them to life.
A life worse than death.
One you will soon share, and my lord himself shall witness your fall.
Oh, the shit. Don't slip. Nako.
Jax.
Chuku. Suku. Nadiga. Protecting seal.
Nightwolf.
There.
Smoke.
Smoke is dead. I am an Enra.
Same technology from the same land. We're fighting for.
This is your last mission.
Ridiculous.
The real Jax wouldn't punch his best friend.
Johnny Cage, killing you will be a pleasure.
Gotcha!
You got a problem with that? Didn't know a face could do that. We're gonna fix you someday.
No, we didn't. You piece of shit.
Well, nice seeing them again. Sonya, that's not him.
Sergeant, what is it?
That the elevator?
Yes, the elevator. Sento contains the souls of my ancestors. They guide me.
Could they hurry the hell up?
Anata ga hirakimasu.
Fall back, now!
Go on. You guys stay here. Close the door.
C4, whatever you have.
Look at the reach!
You see it now, Raiden. Your legacy. You poisoned
I can't go to the toilet, right? Asshole! Since 18 minutes!
Millennia ago,
You piece of
betrayed
shit!
our fellow Elder Gods and attacked Earthrealm.
Starting
We
about
stopped you
pissing!
then, imprisoned you in the Netherrealm. We will do so again.
Remove the shadow from the light. The shadow grows. The legacy of life is death, Raiden. My followers accept this and live on. They fight for me.
Will not touch the Jinsei.
Oh, I will. And all of Earthrealm will learn the truth of death.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Didn't see you there.
Miserable wretch! Insignificant speck of feculent scum! How dare you! That is mine!
Ready?
As always.
She will be the first to join me.
No!
I'm humanity, asshole. And I will shit you shitless out of your fucking buckets.
You don't even think of hurting her.
Knocker.
Hope someone got a shot of that.
Taste your death.
You really are a fallen elder god.
Just a piece of shit.
Johnny,
I have tequila. I give a fuck.
No!
I was ready actually for a second fight. With Hump.
Sonia?
With love.
Johnny.
Come on.
Did we?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Something tumbling around.
Remain here. The Chamber's properties will heal Sonya Blade in short order.
Quan Chi and the others, they're gone. A surge of power within the chamber overwhelmed my senses.
We can deal with Quan Chi later, Kinshi.
We've netted a bigger prize this day.
We can review them.
And within it,
old fish face himself.
Let us take the amulet to the Elder Gods.
They cannot destroy it. No one can.
They might offer counsel. Shinnok can never escape.
You should start out with Mortal Kombat 11.
The war is not over. Quan Chi has escaped. Why are you smiling?
She called me Johnny.
Woo!
Raiden told me later that I'm descended from
So
some
long
Mediterranean
year.
war cult. Bred as warriors for the gods. I've never been able to resummon that green halo. Raiden thinks it was triggered when I saw a loved one about to die.
You
How about you, Cassie? Can you
guys.
summon anything like that? Or did it
Oh,
skip a
shut
generation?
the
Take it easy, Jin.
We didn't need a halo in Darfur, or Iran, or Kurdistan. Did we, Jackie?
Nope, we didn't. Shaolin monks ever send you there, Jen?
I've seen plenty of action. Takeda and I both. Stuff that blow your special forces mind.
At ease. You're all here because you deserve to be. You're beautiful and unique snowflakes.
Too much.
Now, as I'm sure you're unaware, judging from the lack of gift cards, today is our team's 6-week anniversary. Secretary Blake says he's pleased with our progress.
You could spit in his hair and he'd be pleased with our progress.
He was smart enough to have Mr. Cage put this team together.
I'm glad the Shura Ryu chose me to join. New places,
come on.
new faces.
As the secretary pointed out, us older folks are going to retire someday. So it's time for your generation to step up. Shaolin, Shirai Ryu, SF. Together. For your team's first mission, you're going to the Lin Kuei Temple. We haven't heard from the Grand Master in a while, so we need to make sure he's still on our side. That he's got our backs if things flare up.
Shut up, man.
You said a mouthful.
offer of aid was but wind and air.
Keep your 50 million. Melina's given me twice that to take you out.
Lord or thief, all will fall. I am stronger. Death comes to all. You're not worth the dirt on my shoe. You are the Edenian, Tanya.
That's just